Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to enable the End Task option directly from the taskbar icon in Windows 11. This is very useful when an app freezes or stops responding. Instead of opening Task Manager, you can quickly close the app from the taskbar itself. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now, in the left panel, click on System. Scroll down and click on For Developers. Inside the developer settings, look for the option called End Task. You will see a toggle switch. Turn it on. That's it. Now, whenever an app is not responding, simply right-click on its icon in the taskbar, and you will see the new End Task option. Click on it, and the application will close immediately. This method is quick and saves time, especially when your system is slow or an app is stuck. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.